In today's video, I'm going to teach you. In this video, I'll show you how to prepare your client's books properly before delivering CFO level services in QuickBooks Online Accountant. Before you step into budgeting, forecasting, or strategic advisory, you need a rock-solid foundation. That means clean, accurate books. I'll walk you through how to get there in a way that's thorough, efficient, and ready for CFO-level insights. Start by reviewing the chart of accounts. In QuickBooks Online Accountant, head to Accounting, then Chart of Accounts. Make sure each account is properly categorized so reports roll up correctly. Watch for duplicate accounts with similar names and clean up any misclassified transactions that could distort financial statements. The goal is a clear, logical structure that matches how the business actually operates. Next, reconcile bank and credit card accounts. Go to Accounting and choose Reconcile. Confirm that every account is fully reconciled through the most recent statement. If the difference isn't zero, pause here and resolve it. Reconciling is non-negotiable. Unreconciled accounts can quietly undermine every analysis you deliver later. Now, open the Profit and Loss report under Reports. Scan for unusual or one-off expenses, compare income trends month over month, and if the business holds inventory, verify that cost of goods sold aligns with sales volumes and purchasing patterns. Large swings without clear explanations deserve a closer look. Move to the balance sheet. Confirm accounts. Receivable makes sense compared to open invoices, and that accounts payable reflects real unpaid bills. Review loans, credit cards, and owner's equity to ensure they're recorded on the right accounts with accurate balances. Negative or unexpected balances are red flags. Clean up receivables and payables using the AR Aging Summary and AP Aging Summary. Follow up on overdue invoices and confirm that outstanding bills are legitimate and not duplicates. Clearing old items sharpens cash flow visibility. Review payroll and liabilities. Verify that payroll liabilities have been paid on time and that all payroll tax payments are recorded to the correct accounts. Mispostings here can skew both the balance sheet and cash flow. If the client tracks inventory, verify quantities and adjust any discrepancies before presenting reports. Remember, inventory adjustments impact COGS and gross margin. Analyze cash flow by opening the Statement of Cash Flows. Review operating cash flow for core performance. Then check investing and financing activities to ensure movements match real-world events, like asset purchases and loan proceeds. When everything ties out, lock prior periods. Go to Settings, Advanced, then Closing Date. Set a closing date with a password to prevent accidental changes. With clean books, deliver CFO-ready reports, budgeting, forecasting, cash flow planning, KPI analysis, and strategic advisory. Clean books build trust and lead to better decisions. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.